Is it time to buy or sell GeneDx Holdings stock? In this video, we will explore GeneDx Holdings in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 18th of February, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 13th of February 2025, our system has rated GeneDx Holdings as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, experiencing a gain of approximately 44.74% since we initially recommended purchasing GeneDx Holdings 3 days ago. This equates to an average return of about 14.91% each day since it was categorized as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to ascertain the stock's potential direction, as it could shift in either direction. The stock has broken through a very wide and horizontal upward trend. Breaks like this are often followed by swift and significant movements, and any correction down to the break line at approximately $96.01 is considered to be a second chance to pursue a potential runner. However, it is crucial that the volume follows the price, as false breaks may occur, and the stock could move back into the horizontal trend. Based on the rectangle formation theory, the stock is predicted to reach $132.60 sometime during the next 3 months. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 1.32% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 48.7% to negative 16.8%. As for the 12-month trend, it suggests an increase of 433.12% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 190.90% and 398.27%. This translates to a price range of $328.43 to $562.55 after a year. Our latest daily update for GeneDx Holdings includes the headline, Volatile Ride for GeneDx Holdings Corporation stock price on Tuesday, moving between $92.63 and $113.92. The GeneDx Holdings Corporation stock price gained 47.87% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 18th of February, 2025, rising from $76.35 to $112.90. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 22.98%, with a low of $92.63 and a high of $113.92. The price has seen significant ups and downs during this period, resulting in a total gain of 61.33% over the last 2 weeks. Additionally, there was an increase in trading volume on the last day, which, along with the price rise, is viewed as a positive technical sign. In total, 4 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 5 million shares changing hands for approximately $560,590,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $113.92, while the lowest price was $4.61. Currently, the price stands 0.90% or $1.02 below the 52-week high of $113.92, which is also the all-time high for the stock. GeneDx Holdings Corporation, trading under the ticker WGS, is currently under investigation by multiple law firms concerning potential violations of securities laws. This follows a report from Grizzly Research that alleges significant fraudulent practices within the company. Such investigations can create uncertainty among investors, potentially leading to volatility in the short term as market participants evaluate the implications of these claims. On a positive note, GeneDx recently announced its fourth quarter earnings, reporting a substantial earnings per share of 70 cents. This figure significantly exceeds analysts' expectations of 20 cents and marks a notable turnaround from a loss of 59 cents per share a year ago. This performance reflects strong operational momentum and may bolster investor confidence, potentially stabilizing the stock amidst the ongoing investigations. CEO Catherine Stueland has also garnered attention by discussing the future of genome sequencing and the company's dedication to pediatric genetic testing, positioning GeneDx as a key player in the evolving healthcare landscape. Such insights resonate well with long-term investors, enhancing the company's growth narrative despite facing short-term challenges. Investors will be closely monitoring developments on both fronts. Analyst ratings. On the 7th of January, 2025, it was reported that Cowen & Company assigned WGS a buy rating while recommending a hold action. On the 29th of October, 2024, Wells Fargo rated WGS as equal weight with a hold action. Also on the 29th of October, 2024, BTIG assigned WGS a buy rating along with a hold action. On the 24th of October, 2024, Craig-Hallum gave WGS a buy rating, recommending a hold action. Finally, on the 27th of August, 2024, Wells Fargo once again rated WGS as equal weight, but with an initiate action. Analysts have given GeneDx Holdings stock a general strong sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. For return on investment, the analysts assign the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for GeneDx Holdings. The stock of GeneDx Holdings Corporation shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. However, there is a general sell signal due to the long-term average being above the short-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at the levels of $76.25 and $77.05. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 7th of February, 2025, and since then, the stock has increased by 89.62%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot point is established. Additionally, a buy signal is noted from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. The volume is rising in tandem with the price, which is considered a favorable technical indication. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 7 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 21 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to explore more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for GeneDx Holdings. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $89.61 and $89.38. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, GeneDx Holdings Corp finds support just below today's level at $89.61. If this is breached, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $89.38 and $85.01. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating a high level of volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $21.29 between its high and low, which represents a change of 22.98%. During the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 11.37%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for GeneDx Holdings, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. It is not unusual for even well-established companies to go through downturns, often due to external factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios may raise concerns regarding insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the forthcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 28th of April. 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for GeneDx Holdings. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine the optimal time to exit. On the downside, GeneDx Holdings encounters its first support level at 89.61. If this support level holds, it could represent a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for GeneDx Holdings from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 5th of February, 2025, Ruch Joshua conducted an insider purchase of 5,816 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Ruch Joshua also conducted an insider sale of 5,816 shares of stock option, which gives the right to buy. On the 29th of January, 2025, Feely Kevin conducted an insider sale of 753 shares of restricted stock unit. On that same day, Feely Kevin made an insider purchase of 753 shares of Class A common stock. Also on the 29th of January, Feely Kevin conducted an insider sale of 275 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 81.162. In summary, insiders purchased a total of 137,664 shares and sold 1,510,015 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $108.84, reflecting a decrease of 3.6%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 6 days ago. Is GeneDx Holdings stock a good buy? GeneDx Holdings Corporation shows several positive signals. However, we do not consider these sufficient for a buy recommendation at this time. Currently, it is advisable to view this stock as a hold or accumulate position while we wait for further developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our assessment from a buy to a hold or accumulate candidate since our last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 19th of February, we anticipate GeneDx Holdings to open down $6.42, starting at $106.48. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with the financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and take responsibility for your own investment decision. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. Wishing you successful trading, and may you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.